comes a moment in life when you finally realize something is painful. Nobody is coming to save you, not your friend, not your family, not that one person you keep hoping will change. And when this truth hits you, it hurts. Because deep down, you were waiting for motivation, waiting for support, waiting for someone to say, I believe in you. But listen to me carefully. That waiting is what's killing your future. Let me tell you a short story. There was a man who kept standing near a river every day. He kept saying, one day someone will build a bridge here, then I will cross. Years passed. People crossed the river by learning to swim, by building small boats, by struggling. But he stayed there, not because he was weak, but because he was waiting. And one day, he realized the bridge was never coming. That's when reality hits us too. You don't lack talent. You don't lack intelligence. You lack ownership. Harsh truth. Yes, but necessary. The moment you accept only I can change my life is the moment your power is born. No one talks about this part. Self-growth is lonely. Discipline is boring. Consistency feels unrewarded in the beginning. You'll wake up early and see no results. You'll work silently and still be ignored. And that's where most people quit. But winners? They don't wait for claps. They move, even when no one is watching. They build when motivation disappears. They show up when emotions say, stay in bed. And slowly, life starts responding. Not loudly, not instantly, but surely. So if today you feel alone, tired, or unseen, that's good for you, because that means you're being prepared, not punished. Stop waiting. Become the person your future self is blinking for. And remember, nobody is coming to save you, and that's exactly why you can become unstoppable.